To change delivery address in Royal Mail. So this is pretty much done when you are choosing the option to send an item. So once you have pressed on this option, of course, you should be able to edit whatever delivery option you have here in the destination. So pretty much where your item is going or whatnot. But if you are looking for where it is coming from, then it is pretty much gonna base on what location you are technically. But you should be able to edit that and put a description for that later. But once you go ahead with the process like this, you will be able to find the destination option and then the sender option. So if you want to change your delivery address, just go ahead and type that in. You can also enter the address manually if you want. But once you have pretty much chosen your destination, put in your name, company name, whatever, then just go ahead and press continue. Then you can also go for the destination, or not destination, from where it is going to go. So this is basically where the package is from. So you could either enter the address manually, same as the destination, or you could start typing a postcode or address. So it's gonna show you results as well. But if you can't find the results, then you can edit the address manually. Put in the sender name, which of course should be you, and you can also put in the company name if it does exist. So you could put in show this address on label as well, if you want. Then this option, if you are able to print your label at home. If not, then press on no. Then just go ahead and press on add to basket, and you should be able to edit both delivery address from sender and to destination. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.